See him rolling. God damn, Jack. Woo! Yeah, that shit sounds crazy.
Turbo, you hear that? Hear that?
Yes, bro. Oh my god, bro. They got the real. These like the real track cars right here, bro. Yeah, my guy Habibi over there. Yeah, I appreciate him for that free Red Bull earlier. Every man's. Bro, look at this shit, dude. God damn. Fit my whole head in there, bro. For an old school turn drag car, dog. Golly, dude. Bro, they have the chairs to match the car. I'm weak. This shit's a sleeper. This is crazy. Oh, we can't turn it on. It's not turning over, chat. Wild, dog. Well, chat, we wait, and we wait. Y'all, sorry in advance, this video is pretty long. I'm gonna try and make it under 30 minutes, but we'll see. And we got a lot of drag builds out here, chat.
A few minutes later.
All right, y'all, tiny time. See y'all, this is the drag racing. Loki already starting, but I ain't missing this one, chat. Got me a good seat, chat. Hopefully they don't move me. I guess time's on load. Not an S2000, bro. Bro, still no time, chat. Bro, you got stuck. I swear he dumped down fuel, bro. He had to have. He had to dump down something. Caught me off guard, bro. Most going right lane was Loki doing a wheelie the whole time. Here we go, chat. Once again. Somebody was shaking in his boots, bud. Yo, do you just want me a pill? Alrighty. My guy died in M3. Up next, my guy Slim Shady over there in the M5. But she got her shit modified like quickly too. But I remember saying it was stock like it was yesterday. What up, Shady? What up, Shady? What the hell? This motherfucker's so close. Holy crap. RP the cat. Cat down, cat down. Okay, I was spinning on start, bud. Ah, damn. Got a whole 170 down there, bro. Of course, it's in the wrong side, typical. Dumped hella gas, bro. I seen that. A lot of gas. God, that Camaro's angry, bro. Oh my God, bro. Where's the time, dude? I caught that wheelie, bro. Oh, dude. 8 seconds, 174. Yo, look at this V, bro. I need a good shot of this. I think that C7 was trying to hook. God damn. Mustang was holding up, dude. Look at this shit, dude. 9 on the Mustang. Blistering speed we keep going. Front exits, y'all. Fox buddy all the way. Damn, dual parachutes. Now let off. 2J, dog. I think it's the same guy from the Rockingham track, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, it's definitely him. Hey. Nuts. Missed the super perfectly. Typical. Shit. Sound crazy, dude. What the hell is this Jenny? What the hell? Chat, that's all she wrote. Your boy heading up out of here, bro. I am tired. Bro, it's time to head back to Durham, bro. Get home like 9:30 probably. Real tough. You're chopping.
Hey, I'm high on drugs and the S580 and I'm still worried about my